Hello, I'm Cardmaster123, and I'm back with another trick and tutorial. So for this trick, I'm going to have the spectator pick 3 cards. What we're going to do, we're going to pick Jack of spades, Jack of spades, Queen of spades, and King of spades. Then we're going to make 4 piles of cards. Alright, and then what we're going to do, we're going to put the king on top here, and have the spectator put as many cards from the second pile onto the first pile. Same with the queen and the jack. But with the jack, we're going to put fourth on the third, on the second, on the first. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go through the deck. Start with face up, alternating face up, face down. And you're just going to yell stop when you see one of your cards. So just look for your card and you'll stop if you see one of the 3 cards. Now? Alright, so we'll do it again. Didn't see him, huh? Alright, how about we start with face down then, this time. No, huh? Alright, let's try it one more time. Well, if you didn't see your cards, and there's 3 cards left, that must be your 3 cards. Alright, so this trick requires all 52 cards, otherwise it will not work. Have the spectator pick 3 cards. Make sure they can remember the cards, because that is crucial to the trick. So we'll do 3 twos. 2 of hearts, 2 of spades, and 2 of diamonds. What you want to do, then we're going to make 4 piles. And the piles, they do have a certain number to them. So the first pile has 10 cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second pile has 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Third pile also has 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Last pile is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, so then what you want to do, the first card, the top, we're going to keep them face up for tutorial purposes. And this is really truly a free choice. It has as many cards as the spectator feels on the top. And then same thing, the second and the third, the fourth one on top of the third one, on top of the second one, top of the first one. And then you're set. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're just going to alternate, have the spectator tell you when to stop when they see your card. They will never see the card if you do it right. So the first time you do it, starting face up. Alright, second time, the same thing. And the third time, you're going to start with face down. Alright, and then the fourth time, you're going to go back to starting with face up. And that'll leave the 3 cards face down. The only 3. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you in tomorrow's video.